Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a SHEIN haul. I have a lot of like home decor, organizational pieces, items that have been on my wish list that I've been wanting to get for a while. So I'm really excited to show you guys the items that I picked up. I think these are also perfect for housewarming gifts. With that being said, this video is in collaboration with SHEIN. Big thank you to SHEIN for sending all these pieces to me. And if this is your first time watching, make sure you click the subscribe button. It is free. And also click the notification bell so that way YouTube will notify you every time I post a new video. And if you like this type of content, I would really appreciate it if you can give this video a thumbs up. It really does help my YouTube algorithm and it pushes out my videos to other viewers that like this type of content. One more thing, if you're interested in anything that I'm going to show you, just know I will leave all the links in the description box and also in the comment section. Without further ado, let's get right into it. First one that I picked up are these right here. So I'm going to show you how they look in the packaging. Some I did open them up and some I didn't, but I really wanted to get this, and I know it is fall time, I understand, but I saw them and I was like, I'm gonna get them because I like to do seasonal decorating and I thought these were really pretty when spring and summer comes along. I know that's a long way off, but I don't care. First off, I got these right here. I got them in a 5-pack. Now they do come in either 1, 3, or 5-pack. They are the 39-inch artificial long flowers in the color white. Like I said, 5 pieces. This is $18.88, and I wanted to get 5 because I wanted them to look really cool, and it really does. I'm really excited to use these in the springtime. I know that's a way off, but I don't care. I cannot wait to use these. These are really great quality as well. They look real. Like I said, they are really long, so you can strain these out if you have like a really big vase, or you can bend these in to make them a little bit shorter if your vase is a little bit smaller. These flowers are really beautiful and you get a lot. They're really nice and they're really good quality. They're very nice. I'm so impressed with these. I cannot wait to use these. I just love them so much. They're gorgeous. On to some hammered glass containers. They come in 4 sizes, but I got these 3 sizes right here. So they do call these the American style hammered glass containers. I did get it in the size small, medium, and large. They do also have it in the extra large, but I didn't pick that up because at the moment it was sold out. I do wish it was in stock because I did want to get that one as well, but when it does come in stock, I'm definitely picking that one up. So the size small, which is this one right here, was $5.04, and it is beautiful. I love the hammered glass. It is real glass, and I have to say the way they package it is really good. They have it with foam, styrofoam put in a box, so you don't have to worry about them breaking. I was not even worried about them coming cracked or anything because they really know how to package it up, and I love this. I actually got this for my coffee bar. I want my coffee bar to look really aesthetic, and I just thought these were really pretty. I love this wood. I think it's the Akata wood, but it's really beautiful. It is airtight, so I love that. I'm thinking of using this for like a sugar pot. Medium is $6.56. Let me show you guys the difference. So here's the small and this is the medium. Same thing, just different size. And then the large, where are you, large? And then the large is $8. And it looks like this. So I'm gonna show you guys side by side so you can see the difference. But they're so pretty. I thought that would look really beautiful like that. And perhaps put some coffee in here, some sugar in a small one. Perhaps I can put some tea bags in here. Or I am thinking of also doing like a cocoa bar next to my coffee bar. I might add some hot cocoa in here. I really love them. I have to say the quality is so good. On to a wish list item. I picked this up because I just think that this is a necessity for everyone to have in their home. And this, I believe they called a sewing kit. Yeah, so it's called a 1-set sewing kit. And it is in the extra large. They do have them in different sizes. This was $7.60. And I just love this to have it on hand. This has everything you need. If you need to sew, it has the different color. It's like this, and I really love it because this is everything you need. You need to alter any of your clothing pieces. Every once in a while, I need this to alter my clothes or my daughter's clothes. And I just think this is really good, great to have on hand. So love this. On to another wish list item. I got this right here, and this is for the mattress. So there's 4 pieces of this, and they call it the adjustable sheet they're like basically you're supposed to attach it to the bottom of your mattress. Attach these right here on the 3 corners so that way your sheets won't be slipping and sliding. I just hate it when I wake up in the morning and the sheets are like pulled out. So I really love this. Like I said, it comes for 4 corners of the mattress, and you basically attach it to your sheets so that way they don't move. And yeah, this one I just thought it was just really cool, a necessity. I am thinking I might get another one for my oldest daughter as well, and it was only $3.30. Onto these right here. So I did get these, they call them the carpet rug anti-slip grips. I got them in the 4-pack in the color black. They're $2.79. They do come in the 1-piece, 4-piece, 8-piece, or 12-piece, but like I said, I got in the 4-pack, and I think these are great if you have kitchen rugs and you're worried about that rug and you're worried about it slipping and sliding. These are perfect because you could put them on the 4 corners of the rugs, and you basically take the sticky part from here, attach it to the rug, and then you take the sticky part from here and you attach it to the floor, and it will not move anywhere. I've seen a lot of people get this, and it's like a hack, and I really love this. I love this so much. I think this is something everybody needs. I hate when rugs slip and slide, so this is perfect. And of course, since I have kids, I have a 6-year-old, I do not want her slipping and sliding because she tends to just run like a wild child. So I want to make sure she's safe, and I think these are awesome. On to a wish list item. I got this acrylic perfume display. I think that's what they call it. Yeah, it's called the 1-piece acrylic ladder display stand. It is $16.56. It's in the clear. It is a 15 by 75 inches. Did get the 4 layers, the biggest one with 4 layers. You can get the one that's a shorter, like less wider than this, and or you can get the one with 3 layers and I believe 2 layers, which is a little bit more cheaper. But I do think this is such a great price. For under $17, you can display all your perfume, or you can use this for your skincare, whatever. But I did get this for my perfume display. I just think it is stunning. The one thing I do want to say is that this, you do have to like set it up, but it did take me about 10 minutes. It wasn't bad. It was really easy to install. It does give you directions. It's just so cool. I love this. I've seen so many people have this in like their walk-in closet, and it just looks really beautiful and very aesthetic. And I love to be organized. I love to see what I have, because if I don't see it, you know, it's out of sight, out of mind. So I love to use the items I have, and I just think this is beautiful for displaying my perfumes, and I just think it's really great quality as well. Onto this right here. This one is like a really small kind of like hack for your jeans. So it looks like this. You get these 2 pieces right here, and it's basically for your jeans. I called this the waistband extender buckle. I got in the color black, like I said, in the 2 pieces, 88 cents. And this is perfect if you had a big meal, you cannot button your jeans. This extends it and helps you to be able to do that. So I really love this, especially around that time of the month. For us ladies, I get bloated and I want to still wear my jeans. On to some glass straws. This is the 9-pack glass straw set. It comes with 4 straight straws, 4 bent straws, and 1 straw brush. It is $3.88. And I actually really love glass straws. I'm really afraid of them, and I was always afraid that somehow they're gonna break and it's really bad, and somehow it's gonna go in your mouth, and you know, like all the worst that can happen, it was in my head. But since I had really good experience with glass straws, they are really good, especially from SHEIN. They have really good straws. They're very thick. Hopefully you guys can see that. They're really thick, so it's not like they're just gonna break. And there are several times where I accidentally dropped them in the sink and it didn't crack. Nothing at all. So really good quality glass straws. And I just think they're really aesthetic. I just love the way they look. And then let me show you guys the bent one. So it comes with the straight, and then you do get 4 of the bent straws. And of course you get the straw cleaner, because you guys, you need this if you're gonna use straws. You don't want any gunk or mold or anything like that building up. So of course, wash your straws. The fact that you get 8 straws, glass straws, for under $4 is such a great deal. Another wish list item that I think this is perfect for travel. I've seen a lot of content creators use this, and I just thought it's just really cool, especially if you want to keep everything organized. It is this right here. So this one, it comes in the 7-piece premium textured solid travel organizers. This is $7.73. I got it in the color beige, and it does come in 7 pieces. So it looks like this. This is the first one. It's holding all of those in there, and it is mesh, so you can see everything through it, which is really nice. You can get them in different colors, but I got it in the beige. You get this one right here, and I really love this because you can really put a lot of clothes in there and then zip it up. You can organize them. Like for this one, you could put all your shirts. The bigger one, you could put your jeans, your dresses, your sweaters. They do have this one right here for your, for your skincare. You get this one right here, the really nice, great size. Do you see that? It opens up and it gets like really wide, and it's really wide, so you can fit a lot of stuff in there. It does also come with this, which I believe this you can use for like shoes. They have this one where you could put, your underwear, where you could put your undergarments and socks. And then there's this one. You can also use this for shoes as well. And then it looks like this, really nice big size, and it closes up like that. So yeah, I got this and I just thought it was really nice, affordable, and I just love to be very organized. I am a clean freak, and I love everything to have its own place and just to look really nice. This one I think is perfect for anyone that is going to travel. You need that, or if you're going to take a road trip and you're going to use a luggage, that is going to be really nice and just going to be so easy for you to find everything. It's going to be really nice and organized. So I highly recommend that. On to a really nice duvet cover. So I got this duvet cover, and it does come with, it says 3 pieces duvet cover set. I got it in the US King because my bed is a king size, and it is the 104 inches by 90 inches. It is $30.86. They do come in different sizes for your bed. Comes with 2 of these pillowcases. Get the duvet cover. I love this print so much. I just think it looks so cool. It looks like this, and I really love the print. It's checkered, like a new checkered color. Love it. I think for the fall time, this is just beautiful. So I got this, and so yeah, I love it. You can always flip it around and have it on the nude side if you want it in the nude side, so it can actually be worn both ways if you prefer it that way. It does come with this zipper right here, so all you do is you open this up all the way, you put your comforter inside, you will have this gorgeous duvet cover, and I just think this is perfect for the fall time. It is stunning, really great quality, it's nice and soft, and I really love it. So I cannot wait to put this on and transform my bed, because I really love my white covers, but I really want something more warm for the fall time, and I just think it would look a lot better if I just put this on over it. It's just really beautiful. Last but definitely not least, got this faux olive tree. It's called the artificial olive tree with olives. It is $37.90. I got in the color green. It's 6 feet. You can get it in different sizes, but I did get the size 6. I just think it's a perfect size. Really great quality. It comes in 2 pieces, and you just attach the branches together. And the only thing I do want to get is like a pot, a really nice pot to put the plant in, because without it, it just comes with this black little pot. I don't think it would look great. So I definitely recommend getting like a really nice grand pot for the plant. It is 6 feet, so I am only holding like half of it because the other half is on the floor. And of course, I'm going to show you guys on the side how it looks. But I wanted to show you guys because I did purchase these like several years back, and I really love them. They are one of my favorite trees because it is a faux olive tree, but it does have also faux olives as well, which is really nice, great quality. It's very realistic. It's not a tree that looks fake. It looks real, and the branches look real. Really nice and full, great quality. So I'm really happy I picked this up because this definitely elevates your room. It transforms it, and I just love this. If you want to update your room or your home and you want to add a really nice touch. I think one of the best ways to do it is add a faux olive tree. Just looks so luxe, and this one is so affordable for being 6 foot, and it's $37. Like, where do you find that? This is just great quality, so I really love that. So yeah, I did take it out, but the other half is there, and obviously I'm going to show you guys how it looks, but it's just beautiful. Like, oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. And with that being said, that concludes this haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Please let me know which one was your favorite piece, if you're going to pick up anything, if anything inspired you. Please subscribe if you haven't. If you're still watching, guys, it is free. Click that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Until next time, remember, God bless, and as we say in Romanian, la revedere.